Do you know how to say something in Tagalog? We can use my. Something is a high-frequency word in English. It is important to learn how to express it in Tagalog. One way to do that is through the use of my. Here are some examples. May nakita siya. He saw something. May kailangan siya. She needs something. May kailangan ka ba? Oo, may kailangan ako. Wala akong kailangan. Be careful when we're giving a single word answer. We can't use my. We need to use meron. May kailangan ka ba? Meron. If there's nothing we need, we can say wala. Again, let's try some other examples. May niluluto sila. May sinabi siya sa akin. May natutunan siya. Ikaw, may natutunan ka ba ngayon? Meron. May natutunan ako ngayon. Samahan niyo kami sa Tagalog International. Sign up for our free trial class. Salamat!